So guys, we're going to run a few errands right now. We are on the streets of Abia State. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Living in Abba vlog. If you are new here, you are absolutely welcome. Please consider subscribing if you like my type of content. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again to watch me on this channel. I really appreciate you. I love you. God bless you for me. Alright guys, on this particular day, we are going out to run a few errands and I'll just take you guys along with us. So sit back, relax and enjoy the rest of this vlog. Our first stop was at a pharmacy where we went to get malaria pills, and then we went over to Market Square at Factory Road to buy a few home supplies that we were lacking, and then we went back home.
Next morning.
Hi guys, today is lockdown in the east and the sun is hot, but I'm going to go and see an optometrist anyways. I don't care whether there's lockdown or not, okay? outside the eye clinic and my eyes are hurting because what did they not shine inside my eyes? They shone white light, yellow light, red light, all the lights, and my eyes are really tired and blurry. It will be by the grace of God that I go home without falling. Okay, so I'm going home right now. They gave me drugs, these drugs, and they recommended glasses, so I'll come back next week to pick it up. And yeah, that's it. So let's go. On my way home from the eye clinic, I got a call from my friend Adeze asking me to stop over at Crunchies Plus. So I stopped at Crunchies Plus along Abai Road and I went there to join her. She was chopping life and chopping money. So she decided to sponsor my treat, and who am I? Okay, I love enjoyment. So I went there to enjoy with her, and then we headed back home together after we were done with the enjoyment. Okay,
so guys, my stay in Abia is almost over. So people of Abia, very soon now we'll come to this Abia
wahala,
right?
Tell them where you're coming from.
So guys, we just came back from
Crunchies.
Yes, I actually went out before, so I met fresh. I told her to meet me at Crunchies so that we could.
So she flexed me. Oh, she bought me rice and chicken and meat pie and everything.
She's
my love.
Let her enjoy my money.
Oh, okay, body woman. So she's leaving tomorrow. Her stay in Abia finally come to an end, and tomorrow she will go. So we are back home. Bye.
The next day.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go.
So after Ada left, I got a cake delivery. My mom, knowing how much I love cakes, ordered a whole plain cake for me and I enjoyed it. Okay, it was simply amazing. Then after a while, my friend Desire came over to my house to keep me company for a few hours. So she ate gari and egusi soup, and then we just stayed and we were gisting until my brother CJ came back from work. And then Desire had to leave, but at the end of the day, my mom gifted me these very beautiful bracelets and it absolutely made my night. Okay,
The next day.
hi guys, welcome. We are in church and today is Mothering Sunday in my church. So the next day was Mothering Sunday at my church, Assemblies of God Church, and at this point my mom was tying her gele. Okay, someone was helping her tie it. Although I would like to learn how to tie this round gele so I can be helping my mom with it, but I've not learned that yet. Anyways, after she tied her gele, we went over to attend Sunday school, and then after Sunday school we went over to the main service, which is the Mother's Sunday service. Do you get? So the uniform of the day is like a white blouse, then blue wrapper and a red head scarf or head tie or gele. As you can see, most women are wearing that attire, so everybody was so happy. And I'll just let you guys enjoy this Mothering Sunday celebration, and I think I'll end the vlog with it. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, leave a nice comment down there in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching up until this point. Enjoy the rest of the vlog.
I will carry the car and turn it upside down. You cannot.